Hi there. Today I'd like to talk about inquiries. What are inquiries and what do they do to your credit report and to your credit score? So, we all inquire for things. We inquire for a home loan, we inquire to buy a car, we inquire for a personal loan. But every time we're inquiring, the lender is putting a hard inquiry on our credit reports. Now, that's whether we get the finance out or not, whether we get approved or not. The simple fact of the matter is that we've inquired, and that's going to sit as part of our inquiry history on our report. So it's really important just to be mindful when applying online, when applying for a car loan, when applying for a home loan. Can you see a local finance broker before you apply for finance? That way, the broker will look at your entire situation before they submit any loans for assessment. Now, what we're seeing as well is with some inquiries, for example, buy now, pay later, those sorts of inquiries, which are sort of considered to be bad debt. So there's good debt and there's bad debt. Good debt being a home loan, bad debt potentially, payday lender type options, those sorts of loans. We're seeing a bigger score drop when people are inquiring for buy now, pay later facilities, cash day loans, for example, debt collector, personal loans as well. So just really think about every time you're inquiring, do I really need to upgrade my phone 3 times in a year? Do I really want to go online and apply for a personal loan 3 times when I can probably save up in 3 months and go for the holiday that I want to go on? It's really important that you consider the amount of times you're inquiring and the type of facility that you're inquiring for, as it all affects our credit reports and your future ability to get loans approved down the track for you and your family. If you'd like some more tips and information on credit reporting, please go to the website creditfixsolutions.com.au. And thanks for listening.